Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 21 July 2018, 03 of hour, 04 of minute and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you wash a hat in the dishwasher? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you wash a hat in the dishwasher. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do you wash a hat in the dishwasher. Place the hats on the upper rack, where heat and water pressure are usually less intense. Set the dishwasher to a short wash without drying. Set your dishwasher to the shortest wash cycle. Never include a drying cycle, which can bend or wrinkle the hat due to intense heat. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.